Right, so if I'm giving you some exercises, these are some of the exercises that if you have some tightness in your lower back, legs, you know, other stuff that's going on in your lower part of your body, there's some exercise I recommend to a lot of patients. And the first one is basically with all the exercise I'm going to have you do is cross your leg over. It's going to be one or the other legs. You're going to do both legs evenly, but I'm going to have you cross over the legs just like I have right here. What I'm going to have you do is take your left shoulder or your right shoulder. So you're going to take the opposite shoulder to the opposite knee. So if it's the left shoulder, you go down to the right knee. So the first stretches I'm going to do just this right here. You're going to keep your head back and grab the front of your knee with your arm, and you're going to just get that stretch right there. You should be feeling a stretch right at the bottom part of your end right there. But you're going to hold that stretch just like that. The second one you're going to do is you're just going to take that knee and you're going to bring it straight up. I want to sit back in your chair, have your shoulders kind of nice and straight again, but you're bringing that knee up to that shoulder. If you can't move it this much or this high, you go as much as you can. However, again, the exercise here is to bring that knee up to the shoulder as close as you can of those two together. And you're just going to hold that stretch. If I'm going through this in the office with you, I'll go through some more of the specifics of timing and you know what other things you can do, or come out of the office, we can go through answer some questions for you. So that's the first two stretches. The third stretch is going to be, I want you to hold on to your ankle and your knee at the same time. Again, keeping that leg crossed. I'm going to have you push your chest forward and your head back. And you're just going to bring that down right there, and that one you're going to feel a stretch right at the bottom of the leg right there. So there's that third stretch. And then the fourth stretch, you're going to be pressing that knee down. And if you want to add a little more stretch, you're going to add it. You're going to just lean to the opposite side. You should be feeling a stretch right up in the front of your hip. If you're really tight in your lower back, you may feel some tightness in your back or such. But that's the four stretches that I do recommend for the lower back. So again, you're going to do this with both legs. If you have any questions, please come on in and ask me, or when you're here for your appointment, ask me about that time too. Thank you.